Hey folks, it's Charlie Cavell at Chevyland again. Let's talk business for a minute, specifically Business Elite or fleet sales, as it's commonly referred to. If you own a large business with a fleet of aging vehicles and you need to swap some out or even purchase some new ones, then you need to contact Chevyland. Maybe you're a small business owner and need to add some additional trucks or vans to your growing inventory of vehicles. Then you need to contact Chevyland, and specifically our Business Elite team of Tim Cassario, David Comer, and Justin Boyles. With over 50 combined years of experience in fleet sales, these three gentlemen can find and outfit the specific vehicle to meet your business's unique needs. It's what you come to expect from Chevyland. It's the type of experience and expertise from the #1 new and used vehicle dealership in Shreveport, Bossier. It's only at Chevyland, 7500 Uri Drive in Shreveport, or check us out on the web at chevyland.com. Chevyland, together, let's drive.